Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm gonna do a little Target Tuesday for you and share this viral hobo bag that I'm pretty obsessed with for fall. Hello, I hope you are doing well. I wasn't planning on recording today, but because I had this new bag from Target all packed up, I thought, why not do a quick little packing video while I have it in use here. I'm gonna try to do maybe a fun little Target Tuesday. There's so much good stuff, especially leading into like fall and holiday from Target, that I thought I could maybe share a new item from them every week or every other week, or we'll see how it goes. But today, for our first installment, we'll say, of Target Tuesday, I want to share this bag. It is, I don't know the exact name of it. I will of course link it down below. It comes in a couple of different finishes. I really love this suede kind of caramel type color. It's really, really good. I believe they had it in like a solid black leather and like a solid brown. I'm not 100% sure, but they kind of go in and out of stock. But this bag here, I loved immediately, and it grabbed my attention because it is very similar to the Coach Brooklyn bag. And you guys know how much I love that particular bag. Let me see if I can zoom out here like just a little bit so that you can see how it kind of looks. Very, very similar to that particular bag, but obviously it's a much more affordable price, and it is the perfect like medium size. I feel like my Brooklyn that I have the largest one. I can't remember the exact number size of it, but is so massive, but I love it because it holds any and everything. But I didn't want to buy the small one because it's just way too small. So I feel like this medium size is like really perfect, and I wish that Coach would come out with a Brooklyn in a medium size. But anyways, it's neither here nor there. This bag is awesome. It was $35, and it is the perfect drop length, the perfect size. I'm not shocked that it's like one of the most viral bags right now. So on the outside here, you don't have any pockets or anything like that, but you do have a small little D-ring over here that you can put your keys or a charm. I know bag charms are quite the rage right now. I have not jumped on that particular train yet, but you could easily put whatever charm you have, or I don't know, hand sanitizer, whatever you wanna kind of attach over there. As far as the opening of this bag, you have one kind of magnetic opening here. When you're wearing this bag, you can easily get everything in and out of it. Sitting here on the table, it's like a little bit more difficult because of where the straps are, but that's kind of the nature of these hobo bags. Because this bag is so soft and unstructured, you really have to pack it with pouches, because if not, it's like a black hole that you'll lose everything in. The inside lining of this is like a really nice kind of pebbled faux like type leather, which I think is really cool, kind of going from the suede to here. It's just really good quality for the price point. Like, I was really impressed with it. But in here, I'm able to keep tons without it being like massive. I have my L'Occitane hand cream that I'm still obsessed with, take it everywhere. I also have the current wallet that I'm in, which is from Coach. I've had this wallet for so long, for a year, 2 years, 3 years, I can't remember. It's one that they always seem to keep in stock, and it releases like new colors for the seasons, but I love it. It's like the perfect size for cards. You have a spot back here for your ID, a little chain to carry it, and then you have room inside for cash or receipts or what have you. So I'm in that one, kind of starting fall-ish time. Then I have my keys thrown down in there. This is my favorite Oventure key ring, that tortoise kind of resin one. You guys have seen that in a billion of my videos. And then I have my car keys and hair tie and all that attached on there. Then I have two different pouches in here. These pouches are from Target. They come in a set of, I want to say maybe 5 or 6 for like $10, but they're awesome because they're like nice zipper colors. I know some of these pouches on Amazon have like bright pink and bright blue and bright yellow, and that's great and all, especially like for summertime, but these are nice like muted colors. So this is one of the smaller ones. This is the stuff I grabbed for like most, so I stuck it in here. I have my earbuds kind of down in there. I also have my portable charger with all the all the cords. I have my pillowcase down in here, and you guys have seen that a ton, all the pills. And then I have this new Crocs cover for the Touchland hand sanitizers. I don't know if you guys have seen these, and if you're as excited as I am about them. It's definitely like a love it or hate it situation. Oops. But I thought it would be really cool to like change up the charms for like football season, or I don't know, whatever. So I have a ton ordered on Amazon that I'm gonna try out. But anyways, this is my hand sanitizer, and that's all I had inside this little pouch. And then the bigger one, I don't even think this is the biggest one. I think this is like the medium size one of this pouch set. I have all the other things. I have so much inside here, and it's just easy because I can throw it all in here and not have to worry about it. I have my hair clip down in there, all of my lip stuff. I have the Touchland body spray in there, Post-it notes, pens, hair ties, little on-the-go deodorant. So all the things down in here, and it works great. I could throw it in the bag and I'm good to go. So besides those two pouches, I have my sunglasses down over here, in this case here. And then I have my planner, which is one you have not seen yet. It is from Barnes & Noble's, and I know, I am like a diehard Erin Condren, Simplified, Plum Play, all the things, right? And I got this one at Barnes & Noble. I know, I just wanted one that I could go put my hands on immediately and not have to wait to order one in the mail. And I love this. I'm obsessed with it. The setup is awesome. It has so much room that I can kind of move all of my work, content planning, personal life, everything all in one right here. And yet it's not like massive. It's like a really good size. I don't love the spiral bound. I will say I do like a flat, like soft bound type book planner, but that's kind of the sacrifice I had to make. So I'm fine with it. I'm in it now. You'll be seeing it for the next couple months at least. And then the last two things inside here, I still have my Erin Condren slim little notebook. I'm almost out of pages. I hope they still have this size because I love this little thing. It's like my any and everything notebook. I put all of my lists, all my to-dos, brain dumps. It just kind of goes with me everywhere. So I have that. And then I'm in this book currently, just started it. I've been in a little bit of a reading slump because I have read some fantastic books this summer, and I wanted just something different. And I've never read anything by Ellen Hildebrand, and I hope that she's as awesome as everybody hypes it up to be. So this seems to be like the #1 book by her. I'm gonna give it a go. If you've read anything by her, please let me know. Hopefully this will like get me out of my reading slump. So that's everything in here in this cute little Target suede bag. I hope that this was helpful for those of you that may be interested in a new little bag for fall. I will feature this bag in a video coming up, some of my like favorite fall transition bags, and I promise to try it on for you because I know a lot of you will probably be interested as to how this one looks on the body, especially compared to others that are very similar in style. So until next time, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I will have everything linked down below, but if you can't find anything or if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help.